Alright everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Harbor Freight 50-pound portable blaster. It's a sandblaster from Harbor Freight. It runs about $25 or $30, something like that. I can't exactly remember. I bought this thing a while ago, and I just want to let you guys know what I think about it, and here we go. So first of all, when you first get this thing and you open it up, you're going to notice it only weighs about 3 pounds. You're going to think your box is empty. And when you open your box and you reassure yourself that there's actually a product inside, this is what you're going to see. And it's fairly simple. It's a big reservoir, a rubber hose, and a sandblasting gun. And basically the way this works is you hook this up to an air compressor, so you're running compressed air through here when you pull the trigger, and as that air runs out the nozzle, it's basically going to siphon your blast media from that hose out of this bucket. It's going to mix it with the air at a high speed, shoot it out onto your surface, and take care of whatever you're trying to get rid of that's on your surface, whether it be paint, rust, anything like that. Now this works really good. Basically what you're doing is you're removing contaminants from your surface using sand shot out by air. Now what that's going to allow you to do, you have a much more versatile tool here. You're going to be able to get in all the nooks and crannies that most conventional tools can't even stand a chance of getting to without causing damage to the surrounding areas. Check out part 2 of this review. It's the sandblaster in action, and you're going to see what this thing can do, and then it's on you to determine if this is something you can use or not. If I had to recommend this, I would say I like it.